What is up, guys? It is Firecracker. This is my Firecracker strip stash. Anything that's over a 16 pack, basically like 50s plus. So this is what I got so far, guys. Start over here. A couple of these little mega bangers here. These are pretty cool. They're red and green. I can't get these no more, at least not the 80s. So those are cool. Some El Toro 50s. You got a Mobster 100. I like these because they have like daisies on them. The newer ones are all red. These Gamblers 3 100s. And same way, see? Pretty cool. Alright, let's go. We got one Dominator Jitterbug. This is a 400. These things are pretty small. I don't know exactly what these do, if they do a jumping jack deal and then blow up or what, but got one of those. We got a Kingbird Tai Chi 300 piece, just one. We have one Vixen 400. These are really good. We have 7 of these Firecrackers by RGS. These are 200 strip. These are 200s. Let's see. Couple of those. You got the Trump Wall, Monica Crackers, one Reaper. These are fatties. Those are cool as hell. We got two Black Roosters, the newer ones. These are really good. So we got a one Blockbuster. What are these? 40-50s, one brick of those. We got one newer Thunderbomb 40-50 here. Let's go up this way. A whole bunch of these Shogun Lady Fingers 350 strips. These are really cool. Yeah, a bunch of those. We got some 300 Nitro Bombs. I think there's 3 there. We have a brick of 5 300 strip of Pyro Predator Nitro Bombs, or Hail Bombs actually, yeah. We got one brick of 40-50, the PGI 2019s. Alright, come back down this way. So we got this little pack here of 4 packs of 100 of the Red Devils. Pretty cool. And we got this Red Devil brick here of 10 packs of 200 in here. It's a pretty cool brick. Cool wrap on it. We got, let's see, we'll go up this way. Viking strips 100s. There's 20 here loose. And then there's another brick of them here. Come back down this way. So we got 3 300s black hats. And then we got 3 400s of the black hats. Then we got, let's see here, 2 bricks of 5 400. Then we got some alien star bombs. There's about 30 packs of 50 here. Here's a newer pack here, the red ones. There's a big difference in these. These new packs are small, like width-wise. And then we got 3 bricks of 40-50 star bombs here. And come up this way. We got 20 packs of 100 here. Star bombs. These are really good. Firecrackers, guys. And then we have 3 bricks of 20 100s here. And let's see, we got 1 strip of Dixie Boy 90s, 90 strip here, guys. These actually say like Dixie Boy on them. Cool wraps. It's kind of hard to see, but this is the only thing I didn't pull out of a fireworks store. So actually, every single thing I have, other than this, and I think 5 packs of older black hats, is out of fireworks stores, guys. So that's just the strips. I have lots and lots of packs and bricks of regular size, but I was getting these out and organizing, so I figured I'd pull them out, make a little vid for you guys. It's starting to pile up, for sure. Alright boys, you take her easy.